Relieved, very happy. Just really happy, guys.
Okay.
Hey everybody, this is DC Motorbike. Today is the first test day of the year where we'll have 2 customers attending the A2 lifetime license. Wish them luck.
Congratulations, Josh, when you passed the A2 test, A2 lifetime. Okay, so how do you feel?
Relieved, very happy. Like, it was a lot of studying, but it's worth it. And the test was easy because you guys were here.
Okay.
So thank you.
And how long you learn and you practice?
I think I took about 3 weeks. So it depends how much time you have. I was lucky I had the holiday over Christmas, so I could spend a bit more time.
How about you, Simon?
Less than 14 days, I passed.
I'm just really happy, guys.
Okay, and how about last night?
Last night I was just sleeping.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Just relax.
Just relaxing,
okay.
yes.
How you feel before and during the test?
Of course, in the beginning I was a bit stressed out, but during the test, I just got my confidence back, and the practical test was really easy to me. Yeah.
Okay. And congratulations. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Josh. Okay.
The test is finished and both of our clients have passed. So come register with us, as next month we only have 2 test days left for A2 lifetime license. So February test schedule will be only for the 7th and the 21st. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you guys on the next one.